Sewing machine. In early days, man used to wear clothes that were joined together with ropes. Then came the time when he used threads to stitch his clothes. It took a long time. In the year 1830, a French tailor, Barthélemy Thimonnier, invented the first machine which could stitch clothes and was called as sewing machine. This had one thread and it took long time to stitch. Later, in 1846, Elias Home invented an improved machine where two threads were used to make stitching easier and faster. A hand crank drove the machine.